Hi everyone, my name is Mokshanath Reddy. Today I'm explaining number three, data visualization using Python libraries. Aim of this experiment is to write a Python program to demonstrate various data visualization techniques using Python libraries such as Pandas and Matplotlib and Seaborn for data science application. And This is the description. Data visualization is a graphically representation of data using some of the basic charts and graphs and plots. As you know, it helps transform large and complex data set into visual formats that are easy to understand and interpret. And these are the libraries used in the section number three for the visualization. See about these pandas and matplotlib and seaborn. These are the features of data generation. Features are converts raw data into visual form. It helps to identify trends and patterns, and detects outerline and anomalies, and it simplifies complex data sets and etc. And these are the common visualization techniques like this is to display bar chart and horizontal chart. Bar chart only it will be displayed in horizontal way, and line plot and scatter plot, pie chart and histogram, box plot and stacked bar chart, some etc. These are the important commands to use. This is the basic command to import the CSV file to read the CS given data, and this go through the command basic commands, and now we'll go into this code explanation. And our this is the first basic to import the code and fill the missing values. See, when in the given data set, some of the values are missing from here. See here from unit in this unit price way. From here to these are the values are missing. For this to fill the values automatically, we'll we'll give the we'll import this nan to copy this. And first question is to draw a dot plot for the unit price of product. And this is the code to import matplot. Starting we have to import the matplot and seaborn and pandas. See here we see seaborn you can import as SNS. Here I'm using pd.read CSV to read the given data, and pandas library to load the stored data, and data frame named as df. This allows me to perform analyze and visualize on the data set. And this is the ask dot plot product unit. And next we'll go to the second question. Plot a dot plot showing quantity sold versus product index. See, see here they ask in this step. I'll replace all empty blank or values with nan, which stands for not a nan, which stands for nan, not a number. This helps identify missing values in the given data. See, this is the uh, quantity sold versus product index dot plot. And next we'll go to the third question. Create a dot plot of rating values for customers. See plot figure. This is the figure size, and SNS in the seaborn. And here I create a list containing the columns names where missing values need to be handled. And this is the output. Dot plot customer rating values. And next we'll go to the fourth question. Draw a line plot showing the trend of unit price across products. This is I use this forward fill method to replace missing values with the previous valid value available in the same column. Uh, in this in this code, we'll see the uh, line plot. It will showing the up and downs as the trend goes up and so this is the output. And next we'll go to the fifth question. Plot a line chart comparing COGS and total across transactions. Uh, First, I checked whether the rating columns exist or not. Then I replace all missing rating values with the average rating of that column using the fillna and main function. Fillna is used to fill the empty data set. See, these are the plot for the line for particular line colors, and this is the output. See here comparison of COGS and total across transactions. And next, we'll go to the sixth question. Create a line chart showing a various of tax with the respect to quantity. First, after cleaning the dataset, I save it as a new CSV file as tax quantity called clean dataset. The parameter index values false prevent values from the being saved. See this tax quantity is equal to data frame group by it will add the new column. It will count the average. See this is the output. It is showing the green line variation of tax with respect to quantity. Okay. Next we'll go to seventh question. Plot a line graph showing age versus rating of customers. Here I use a head function to display the first 10 rows in a line graph. Clean data from the clean data sets and verify that the processing has been completed successfully or not. And this is the age criteria. It takes the age and it will mark the it will show the particular color to which the age is increasing. And this is the graph customer age versus average rating. And now we'll go to the eighth question. Here bar chart enters. Then we have to create a bar chart of the average units, the average unit price grouped by the product line. Uh, First, I use the group by function to group the data based on product line. Then I select the unit price column and calculate its average using the main function. Finally, I create a bar chart using plot with kind equal to the bar. See, see, this is the bar chart of average unit price by product line. So your fashion accessories is up to 70 and sports and travelers both are equal in equal price line. And next we'll go to the ninth question. Plot a bar chart showing the total quantity sold in each branch. Um, I group the dataset by branch. Then I select the quantity of quantity column and calculate the total quantity sold using the same function. Finally, I display the result as a bar chart. Here is the bar chart. Total quantity sold by branch and different branches. For example, A, B, C. And next, we go to the 10th question. Uh, we have to create a bar chart again to show the distribution of payment methods using by customers. This is the distribution of payment methods. First, we have to select the payment column and use value count to count the payments. And here is the title. This is for title payment method distribution. Here we can see. So, and it will ask the label payment method how you are paying, like and Y label to this to count the payment, and it will show the particular graph what we have. And next we'll go to the 11th question. Draw a bar chart, but it should be done horizontally of total sales across different cities. And we have to group the data normally according to the city and some plot kind of bar chart. Bar we need horizontally, right? See, bar H denotes horizontally, and this is the title for total sales by city, and this is the bottom label total sales, and it is shows the cities bars, and this is the output for the given total sales by city payment of. And next we'll go to the 12th question. Create a horizontal bar chart of quantity sold by gender. Then, as usually, we have to group the data frame as gender and quantity, and we have to we have to do calculate the sum. Kind of chart is bar horizontally again, and this is the as usually the head. This is the heading, and this both are also the headings. This heading will show in the x-axis. That means the bottom. This is the y-axis. That will be in the side. You can see it. And the plot dot show, it will show the horizontal graph as you asked. This is the output quantity sold by gender. And next question is draw a staked bar chart of quantity and total grouped by branch. Here in this graph we have to group the data frame as a branch and quantity total, and we have to calculate the sum and plot the diagram. And this kind of chart is bar not in horizontally, it will be shown vertically. If stacked is equal to true, then it will show the quantity is high under when it is true, it will show the quantity in blue, and if we need all the quantity, it will show in yellow, yellow or orange this color. And next next question, plot a staked bar chart of COGS and tax grouped by product line. Usually this we have to group by data using data frame, product line, and cost. Stacked this is also same. Stacked is called true, and this will calculate the COGS and tax by product line increasing. It will show in the bar chart increasing or decreasing. And this is the create. The next question is create a vertical bar chart showing the total quantity sold across the product line. This is the output. And next section question, draw a comparison bar chart of unit price versus rating across product line. And in this graph, it will compare the unit price and rating of the product, and it will show in the different colors, like it is showing like blue and orange as we given the as you mentioned in the above. And next question, plot a box plot for the distribution of unit price. We have to plot the box plot. We have to define as a box plot for the unit price to calculating the unit price. The title will be distribution of unit price. Unit price it will show in the bottom. Then it will plot the diagram. The next question is create a box plot for total sales grouped by gender. And this is the same question, but it will import the CBON as SNS. This is the CBON, and SNS box plot. It will show as the X it will show as gender, and Y it will show as total data is equal to data frame. and this is the box plot. Our next question is, this is the different, draw a pie chart showing the proportion of sales and across different payment methods. Payment sales is equal to data frame grouping, payment sales and across 1% into 1F percentage. It will show the percentage as usually. This is the pie chart. This is the credit card calculation and this is cash calculation. This is e-wallet calculation. And next question is plot a histogram of customer age distribution. Here I select the age column and use the histogram function to display the frequency distribution of customer ages. And the bins parameter divided the ages into then intervals. See, here is the plot dot histogram. Histogram in the sense, it will give a histogram chart. The data, the given data frame is age, bins is equal to 10. This is the title show in the top and this is the bottoms. This is the histogram graph. And thank you. That's all for today's video.